Welcome back, guys. This is another video of a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus unboxing. I purchased this recently to take with me on my travel as well. It's a gift for someone, and I just went over to the Samsung Experience Store in Garden City, New York to purchase this device. I couldn't order this from the online store. If you're joining us for the first time, this is just a simple unboxing video. Nothing too fancy. Here on my little black desk, we're going to be unboxing the device. So I went ahead and ripped open the seal, and there we have it. You can see here, the screen looks beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And this is actually the rose gold model. This actually feels slightly lighter. Might be just my imagination because I do have the cover on my S22 Ultra Plus, but it definitely does feel lighter in the hand here. What I really do like about this model is the rose gold metallic aluminum chrome coloring, whatever you call it, along the lines of the device itself. Very nice. I actually do like this color. If I had to pick another color, it would definitely be green, and green is definitely not my favorite color. I would say it's one of my least favorite colors in my personal opinion, but the green on the S22 Plus and S22 looks absolutely stunning in person. So it was a really hard choice for me to pick, but I went ahead with the rose gold because it is for a female, and I'm sure they would appreciate this color for themselves. And that's completely their personal choice, not saying it's a feminine color, but I'm sure the person I'm buying it for would appreciate this color. Beautiful phone. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. There you go. Same style buttons with the rocker buttons, volume rockers on the right side. Not a huge fan of this actually because I'm used to the volume rockers being on the left side. It's a little easier for me to press since I'm used to the S10 Plus now. So a little bit of adjusting to use, and then wow, there you go. And the screen is absolutely beautiful as well. Let me just make sure it works. And of course it does. I wasn't expecting anything less. 3 camera options. Not going to go through the technical specs of that. And I'm going to actually power this device off because, like I said, it's not for me. So let me go ahead and turn that off. Okay. And then let's just look at the remaining contents of this box. We have the SIM eject tool. You can never have too many of these because they always go missing. I'm not sure about the rest of you guys, but I always seem to lose these, so it's always nice to have. And then within the box, within this little box, there is the charging cable without the brick, unfortunately, and all the little paperworks that come with the box. So there you go. Beautiful phone, beautiful design. It is very similar, but I definitely love seeing this phone in person. I didn't think of it as anything much when I seen it online, but in your hands, it feels absolutely stunning. Thank you for joining us. Until next time.